beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the Look Fantastic January beauty box unboxing. Ooh, as you can tell, there's quite a few things inside it. If you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it really does help out my channel. And don't forget to turn that notification bell on so you are notified every single time that I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. So let's just get straight into what was in this month's Look Fantastic beauty box. As I say, thank you so much to Look Fantastic for gifting this box for me so I can share it with you guys. It retails for £15 a month. You can do it on a monthly rolling contract and just cancel it whenever you fancy. I'm just looking on the website now on my laptop. If you kind of subscribe to a 3-month contract with them, a 6-month contract or a 12-month contract, depending on which one you go for, the box ends up being cheaper each month. So for instance, if you went for the 12-month contract, then that would be £13 a month instead of the 15. And I'm just having a little look because I do have a pay up front one. So say if you wanted to gift it to somebody for like a birthday present or whatever, they have a 3-month, 6-month and 12-month contract for that as well. So like the 3-month one would be £43.50. So yeah, that's just in case you want to know kind of prices, but I will leave a link down below for you to have a little checkout of it anyways. Let's just get straight into it. First of all, I am obsessed with this month's box because this is literally my YouTube channel in a box. I love that it's purple, and I don't know what I will reuse this box for, but I will reuse it for something because this is just too cute. I hoard boxes anyway, but let's just get straight into it. So when you first open it, it looks all cute like this. It smells unbelievable. You can smell that there's some goodies in this one. And then this is what it looks like. You can see it's absolutely filled with goodies. So there is, in this month's box, there are 6 products for £15. Absolute bargain. And obviously it has the little matching booklet to go with it as well. So let's have a look to see what's inside. If you're wondering, by the way, what little lip combination I've got on, it's a bit of a weird one actually. I've got on a Revolution lip liner in the shade Highness, and then I put this on first. This is the Huda Beauty matte lipstick in Staycation, which is very, very kind of nude. And then I was like, actually, I think I want it a bit more warm and a bit more juicy, so I went with the W7 Very Vegan lipstick on the top in the shade Warm Willow, and you can see that's what I've used it just to warm up a little bit. And then as a gloss, totally love the top lipstick that I've got on right now, and for the gloss I've got on the I Heart Revolution, the Princess and the Frog lip gloss. This one is Tiana's lip gloss, just like this. Absolutely beautiful. You can still buy the Princess collections as well, and they're going to be bringing more out, so I would definitely do videos and all of that. But I did a video on each of the 3 princesses that they brought out and a full kind of haul and things. I'll leave that linked all down below. Let's just get into what's inside this box. So we'll start with the hand mask. So this is the Star Skin Hollywood Hand Model Nourishing Hand Mask Gloves. So it says these are designed to hydrate dry hands and cuticles, and it basically draws on an innovative double layer technology that produces a sauna effect to repair, condition and soften even the roughest of hands. Has a blend of 16 botanical extracts and oils, and it makes your hands visibly appear softer and more supple after just one use. So I think I have to do that, put that to the test, you know, and see whether that actually works or not, because that's just crazy that it's like a hand mask. Really, really good if you are working like an NHS worker or like a frontline worker at the moment. I think that's going on. Your hands are going to be bared from like obviously washing and hand sanitizer and everything like that as well. So that would be a good one to try out. Next up we have this one. This is the Fvr Facial Moisturizer. It says it is, well actually does it say on it? An intense moisturising cream. So one side it's in French I think, and one side's in English. Let's see where the English stuff is. It says it's a facial moisturiser perfect for soothing very dry and sensitive skin. It's dermatologically proven to keep skin moisturised for up to 24 hours. It's hypoallergenic and formulated specifically to treat even the most sensitive of skin types as well. Has 60% physio-adapted water in it and physiological sugars in it as well. So it just says a coin size amount, face and neck in the AM and PM after cleansing and toning. Okay, and then the next one we have, which I'm really excited to try, been trying to improve the condition of my hair for quite a long time now actually. I think I've been talking about it on my channel for, I wonder if it's been like nearly a year now that I've been talking about it, since my hair, like I used to get really stressed, my hair used to fall out. So yeah, ever since kind of maybe like a year or so ago, I've been on a little conditioning journey with my hair to get it back up to a good condition. So this can be one that I can try out as well. So this is just what it looks like. This is the Grow Gorgeous Balance Shine Enhancing Overnight Mask. So it says it's a hair mask formulated to nourish your hair from roots to end, getting to work overnight when your hair is the most susceptible to treatment. It says your Grow Gorgeous hair mask is formulated to enhance shine, reduce frizz, which I have a lot of. My hair's been so static recently, it's driving me insane. To lock in moisture and to leave your hair with a silky soft salon feel once styled. I'm totally up for that, especially seeing as we can't go to get our hair done anytime soon with this whole lockdown as well. So yeah, super excited to try that. Next we have a eco-friendly kind of complexion sponge, like a makeup sponge. So this is just what it looks like. I've never actually heard of this brand before. So Eco, the brand's called. So obviously it's cruelty free and vegan. Oh, and the packaging is completely recyclable as well, which is really good. This is just what it looks like. So it just says obviously eco-friendly makeup sponge, and obviously has a nice pointed tip for them hard to reach areas. Basically use it as like a normal sponge, like what you normally would. Let's have a little feel of it to see what it's like. I'm always up for trying a new makeup sponge because the best one I've ever tried is Beauty Blender, but let's be serious, it's so pricey for a sponge, for a bit of foam. Are you kidding me? Oh, it's green as well. Oh no, I absolutely love the colour green. That actually feels really nice. I wonder what it's like when you put some water in it as well. It actually has a little top tip in the booklet about the sponge. It says, after each use, it's important that you clean your sponge to prevent bacteria building up, and the best way to do it is to use warm water and baby shampoo. Baby shampoo is basically what I use to clean my brushes. I just absolutely love it. I just think, especially for a deep clean, when you want to have like a really good deep clean with your brushes, not like just a little spot clean, baby shampoo is just the best. I've tried MAC, Real Techniques, I've tried absolutely loads, and that one always seems to be the best. Next we have a liquid lipstick from Sleek. This is the Matte Me liquid lipstick, and this could come in, I think, 4 different colours. This is just what it looks like in the brochure here. So it says obviously it's a liquid lipstick, intense in pigment with a light texture and a matte finish. Yeah, so in your box you can have 1 of 4 colours, which makes sense. All with a long lasting colour that doesn't flake or dry out throughout the day. From the look of it, I would have really liked that nude colour. That nude colour is right up my street. So I think what I might do, because I don't want to reach for pink lips that much, I think I'm going to put this into a giveaway for you guys instead, just because I'd rather somebody else get use out of it instead of me using it once and then never really reaching for it. But yeah, absolutely love that you get some makeup in it. I'm always up for some makeup in a beauty box. And then last but certainly not least, which is actually crazy how many products that are in the box for 15 quid. This is the, is it Avy? Cleansing bar from Dr. Botanicals. So it's a avocado and cucumber natural cleansing bar. It's cruelty free and vegan. It's vegan friendly, natural skincare. I'm just looking at all the little badges that it's got on the front of it. This is just what it looks like. It says it's a gentle antibacterial cleansing soap to cleanse and purify both the face and body. It's infused with calming ingredients of avocado and cucumber, which work to nourish, soften and awaken the senses. So yeah, it just says to kind of lather in your hands to create a foam, and then massage onto the skin, and obviously just to rinse it off. So I think what you could have got was either the cleansing balm, or you could have got a eye cream, a Verso eye cream, which just looks like this, which was a anti-aging under eye moisturizer, rich in hydrating ingredients to promote smoother, healthier and more supple looking skin around the eyes. So yeah, you're going to get 1 or 2 one out of the two of that, and obviously I got the cleansing bar, which is really good because I think recently I got an eye cream anyway, so I definitely don't need an eye cream anytime soon. But yeah, very, very impressed for 15 quid to get like all of these and even more. 15 quid, you can't go wrong. And I honestly, I'm obsessed with this box. I'm gonna have to reuse it for something, but I just don't know what yet. But I'm a hoarder of boxes, so it's just typical me. But yeah, if you are interested in anything from Look Fantastic, I will leave it linked all down below. It is an affiliate link, so if you do click the link and buy through it, at no additional cost to you, I'll get a small little percentage of commission for it. But like I said, it's at no cost at all to you. If you don't want to use my affiliate link, that's totally fine. Just simply search Look Fantastic on Google and it'll also come up as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I just want to say thank you so much to my patrons for all of your love and support every single day. I love you so much, and I'll hopefully see you all in a new video on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays or Sundays. Love you so much. Bye guys.